Good evening, dear student. In the previous video, we have discussed Newton's second law of motion. Today, we shall discuss Newton's third law of motion. Dear students, force does not exist in isolation. That is, forces always exist in pair. There cannot be a single force. For example, if you push a wall, the wall also exerts an equal force in the opposite direction. Therefore, forces always exist in pair, and the two forces are equal in magnitude but in opposite direction. In simple words, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That is, if a force is applied on a body, the body also applies an equal force which is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. अगर आप किसी एक बॉडी पर फोर्स लगाएं, अगर आप दीवार को धक्का देते हैं तो दीवार भी आपको उतना ही फोर्स लगाती है, लेकिन उसकी डायरेक्शन अपोजिट होगी. रिमेंबर, एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन ऑलवेज एक्ट ऑन टू डिफरेंट बॉडीज. Action and reaction always action and reaction always act on two different bodies. Let us illustrate some example to understand Newton's third law of motion. When a boatman jumps out of a boat, the boat is pushed away. Why? When the boatman jumps, he applies force on the boat in the backward direction, and the boat applies an equal force in reaction in the forward direction, due to which the boatman is able to jump in the forward direction. Similarly, while swimming, we push water with our feet and hands in the backward direction, and water applies an equal force in the forward direction. While walking, we push the ground in the backward direction, and the ground applies an equal force in the forward direction, which makes us to move in the forward direction. When you jump, you exert force on the ground in the downward direction, and the ground applies an equal and opposite force, and due to which we are able to jump. So these few examples illustrate that for every action, that is, when a force is applied on a body, the body also applies an equal force, which is in opposite direction. For every action, there is a reaction, which is equal in magnitude but opposite in डायरेक्शन. अगर आप किसी एक बॉडी पर फोर्स लगाएंगे, वो बॉडी भी आप पर उतना ही फोर्स लगाएगी, लेकिन उसकी डायरेक्शन अपोजिट होगी. यानी जिस डायरेक्शन में आप फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, उसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में वो बॉडी फोर्स लगाएगी. मोरओवर, ये जो फोर्सेस होते हैं, एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन, they always act on two different objects. दो अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स पर लगते हैं. One more example. In a rocket, the fuel is burnt and the burning gases come out of the jet with a great force. This is action. And in reaction, the escaping gases apply an equal and opposite force on the rocket, which makes it to lift in the upward direction. एक रॉकेट के अंदर फ्यूल होता है, उसका कंबस्शन होता है, और बर्निंग गैसेस बाहर निकलती हैं बहुत ही फोर्स के साथ, जेट से. ये बर्निंग गैसेस जितना फोर्स से बाहर निकाली जाएंगी, उतना ही वो फोर्स रॉकेट के ऊपर लगाएंगी आगे की ओर, जिसके कारण से रॉकेट मूव करता है. So these are a few illustration of the Newton's third law of motion. एक बार और रिकॉल कर लेते हैं. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is a reaction. This reaction is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. यदि किसी एक बॉडी पर फोर्स लगाते हैं, तो वो बॉडी भी उतना ही फोर्स लगाती है, लेकिन उसकी डायरेक्शन अपोजिट होती है.